guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Aza. Go ahead and subscribe. So guys, in today's video I will be doing an unboxing of a wig that I bought off Amazon. I have not opened it. It delivered here Tuesday and today is Thursday, so I'm just not gonna unbox it and stuff like that. So but anyway, y'all, I can't wait to see how it's gonna look. Hopefully it looks good. I hope so. But anyway, you guys, I really hope everyone is having a great day today. I hope everyone is all in positivity. Like you always should be, you guys. Always stay positive through whatever. Positivity. So y'all, I was gonna record me getting my nails done, but it was just too much going on. Folks was loud and all that type of stuff, and I felt rushed when I was going to get my nails did. So ugh. But anyway, check out the Valentine's Day nails. Ooh, like, okay, perm.
Period. 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 Period.
Okay, y'all, these are so pretty. Like, he did his thing on my nails, like perm. And I also insert a picture of how my nails look as well. So yeah, me and my mom got up this morning, went to go get our nails did for Valentine's Day, even though her and my dad are going out to do something probably tomorrow or something. But anyway,
Excuse me.
hopefully I have something to do. Hopefully somebody hit my line or something. But if not, I'll just be here. No, actually on Valentine's Day I'm working. But anyway, I get off early enough so I can do something. But if I don't, I'm probably just going to sit here and watch movies. And I'm fine with it. So, but anyway, y'all, let's get right into this video. Okay, y'all, so this is the wig. Let me unbox it. Let's see it, y'all. This is my first time ordering a wig off Amazon. Okay, this is from Joedir Lux. Hopefully I'm saying their name right. So Joedir Lux. Okay. Okay, this is a synthetic wig, y'all. Y'all know that's all I wear is synthetic wigs. And I'm gonna insert a picture of how the wig look. So this is the wig. So y'all, it came with a wig cap as well. Okay. Even though I already have my wig cap on up under the bonnet, so. Okay. Okay, let me take my bonnet off.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Excuse my hair, y'all. Okay, y'all, it comes with 2 combs on the side. One at the bottom. So, yeah, we're going to try this on. Hang on. Okay. I'm just going to adjust it where I want it. Yeah, my hands are ashy. It'll be fine. Okay. Let me try this on. Okay, y'all, hang on. Let me get my brush because I gotta fix this. And these are not the right lashes to wear with this type of hair, like at all. Yeah, let me get my brush. Oh. y'all, I think I'm liking this wig. This way. Yeah, these are not the right lashes to wear with this. So yeah, I may have to trim these bangs a little bit. Just a little bit. But ooh. Ouch. I'm trying to play with these bangs, y'all. It's like it ain't working. So I may have to cut them a little bit. Or is it just the lashes? Is the lashes too long? Or too big? Okay. Y'all, let me come right back and change the lashes. Let me see if it's just the lashes are too big. So, hang on. Okay. Y'all, I'm back. I changed my lashes to some smaller lashes. So, we're gonna see how this goes. Tell it's already getting kind of tangled at the end, but that comes with synthetic wigs, especially like with long ones as well. Y'all, it was the lashes throwing me off a little bit with it. So yeah. You got the paper on the wig. Okay. Okay. I like this wig, y'all. I love wigs with bangs. I always think I look good with bangs. So, yeah. I give this wig like a 9 out of 10 because, you know, it tangles and stuff like that at the end because this wig is really long. I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to insert a video on how it looks. Cause it's really long, so. But yeah, I really do like this wig. I like the color in it. Yes, I will be taking pictures in this wig. I feel cute. I feel like a baddie.
I just want to show you how good I look. I know that's right.
So yeah, I really like this. Okay. So yeah, y'all, I am feeling this wig. It is so cute. So yeah, this is, I know this is not an everyday wig to wear because of course it's synthetic and it will get tangled. So yeah, I would give this wig like I said 9 out of 10. I give it a 10 out of 10 because I like it so much and it looks so good on me. Period. Okay. So yeah, like I said, I got it off Amazon. I forgot how much I paid for it, but I will insert the picture and how much I paid for it, all that stuff. So yeah, y'all, I really am loving this. Oh, okay. Anyway, okay. Get you a girl that can do both. Get your girl that can do both. Her.
She's got a point. She's an icon. She's a legend. And she is the moment. Now, come on now.
Okay. Anyway, y'all. But yeah, y'all. So, but yeah, y'all. So this is gonna be a short video anyway because I'm gonna probably take some pictures in this wig, stuff like that, and I'll show you guys at the end of this video, or if not, I will show you guys in another video. But anyway, you guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, because I know I did, because I love this wig and it's so cute. So cute. Purr. Okay. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy the video, and make sure y'all go check them out on Amazon. This video is not sponsored. I'm just doing this just to be doing this anyway. But yeah, make sure y'all check out their wigs on Amazon, because I wanted to take a chance to get a wig off Amazon to see how it is. So check them out. Get you a wig, okay? Purr. Anyway, y'all, yeah, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, join me and watch what I have next. Bye, y'all. Love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video.